I've set up some targets over there for us to shoot.
I used to be a champion at shooting.
Oh, then you'll probably beat me.
Yeah, of course.
Well, may the best man win. Ha! You missed the target. I wonder who won. Do you want to count the score up while I go use the bathroom? Okay.
Oh shoot, I lost. Oh wait, I know what I can do.
So, who won?
I did.
Are you sure you didn't change the score?
Now why would I do that? Come on.
Well, I trust you because you're my friend. Congratulations on winning. Well, I trust you because you're my friend.
Oh, why did I lie to him? Hello, Tom.
Hey, Kim.
I'm sorry, it was actually you who won yesterday. I lied to you. I'm very sorry.
That's okay. Thanks for telling the truth. It means a lot to me. See ya.